Welcome to our channel. Today, we're embarking on a journey through the heart of Italy, exploring the top 10 must-see attractions in the beautiful region of Tuscany. From the rolling hills and vineyards to the historic cities and charming villages, Tuscany offers a feast for the senses. So grab your virtual passport and let's get started. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more travel guides and tips. Florence. This city is like a living museum, overflowing with art and history. Every corner you turn, every street you walk down, you are stepping into a world that has inspired countless artists, thinkers, and dreamers for centuries. The very air seems to hum with creativity and the echoes of the past. Imagine strolling across the Ponte Vecchio, the only bridge in Florence spared from destruction during World War II, now home to a colorful row of shops, a tradition since the 16th century. As you walk, you can almost hear the whispers of the merchants from centuries past, selling their wares to the people of Florence. The bridge itself is a testament to the resilience and enduring spirit of this city. We'll stand in awe of the Duomo, that magnificent cathedral with its iconic dome designed by Brunelleschi, a masterpiece of engineering. This dome, an architectural marvel of its time, still dominates the skyline of Florence, drawing the eyes of all who visit. The intricate details and the sheer scale of the Duomo are a reminder of the incredible human ingenuity and artistic vision that flourished during the Renaissance. And speaking of masterpieces, no trip to Florence is complete without a visit to the Uffizi Gallery. This world-renowned museum houses an unparalleled collection of Renaissance art, offering a journey through the evolution of artistic expression. As you wander through its halls, you'll be transported back in time, surrounded by the works that have shaped the course of art history. Here, you'll come face to face with legendary works by Botticelli, Michelangelo, and Da Vinci. Each piece tells a story, capturing the essence of the human experience in ways that words alone cannot. The Birth of Venus, with its ethereal beauty, and Michelangelo's David, a symbol of strength and perfection, are just a few of the treasures that await you. But Florence is more than just grand sights. It's a city that lives and breathes through its people and their daily lives. The streets are filled with the aroma of freshly baked bread, the laughter of children playing, and the vibrant conversations of locals enjoying their day. Duck down a side street, and you'll find artisan workshops, family-run trattorias, and lively piazzas buzzing with locals. These hidden gems are the heart and soul of Florence, where tradition and modernity blend seamlessly. In the workshops, artisans continue the crafts passed down through generations, creating beautiful handmade items that reflect the city's rich cultural heritage. This is a city best experienced by getting lost in its timeless charm. Wander through the narrow alleyways and you'll discover quaint cafes, charming boutiques, and unexpected pieces of history around every corner. Florence invites you to slow down, to savor each moment, and to immerse yourself in its unique blend of past and present. Whether you're an art lover, a history buff, or simply someone who appreciates beauty, Florence has something to offer everyone. Next, we journey to Siena, a city that truly transports you back to medieval times. Nestled in the heart of Tuscany, Siena is a place where history and culture are woven into the very fabric of the city. As you step into Siena, you are immediately enveloped by its rich heritage and timeless charm. Picture this: narrow, winding streets paved with cobblestones, each stone echoing the footsteps of centuries past. These streets are like veins, carrying the lifeblood of the city through its historic heart, leading to grand piazzas lined with brick buildings. These buildings, with their distinct medieval architecture, tell stories of a bygone era, where every brick and archway has witnessed the passage of time. The heart of Siena is the Piazza del Campo, a magnificent shell-shaped square that hosts the famous Palio horse race twice each summer. This square is not just a gathering place, but a symbol of the city's unity and competitive spirit. Imagine the thrill of this bareback race, a tradition dating back centuries, with the jockeys representing different city districts. The Palio is more than a race, it's a celebration of Siena's history, pride, and community. Beyond the Palio, Siena is a city to explore on foot, discovering hidden courtyards, each with its own unique charm and story. As you wander through these secluded spots, you can almost hear the whispers of the past, sampling local delicacies like panforte, a traditional Sienese sweet that has been enjoyed for generations. The flavors of Siena are a testament to its rich culinary heritage, offering a taste of history in every bite, and soaking up the atmosphere of this UNESCO World Heritage Site. The scenic views of Siena, with its rolling hills and picturesque landscapes, provide a perfect backdrop for a journey through time. Whether you're exploring its historic streets, enjoying its local cuisine, or simply taking in the breathtaking views, Siena is a city that captivates the heart and soul. Of course, no trip to Tuscany would be complete without a stop in Pisa to see the iconic Leaning Tower. But don't just snap a photo and leave. The tower is just one part of the Piazza dei Miracoli, or Square of Miracles, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Take your time to admire the stunning architecture of the Duomo, the Baptistery, and the Camposanto Monumentale, each a masterpiece in its own right. Afterward, wander beyond the tourist crowds and discover the charm of Pisa's historic center, with its lively student atmosphere and charming cafes along the Arno River. Chapter 4. San Gimignano, a skyline of towers. Imagine yourself in the Tuscan countryside, rolling hills blanketed with vineyards and olive groves. Perched atop one of these hills sits San Gimignano, a UNESCO World Heritage Site instantly recognizable by its skyline of medieval towers. These towers, once symbols of wealth and power, now stand as reminders of the town's fascinating past. As you wander through San Gimignano's narrow streets, you'll feel like you've stepped back in time. Be sure to sample the local Vernaccia wine, a crisp white wine unique to this region. Chapter 5. Luca, a city enclosed in Renaissance walls. Luca, a city often overlooked, is a true hidden gem of Tuscany. Imagine cycling along the top of its perfectly preserved Renaissance walls, enjoying panoramic views of the city and surrounding countryside. Within those walls lies a charming historic center, with cobblestone streets, elegant piazzas, and a relaxed, intimate atmosphere. Luca is a city for leisurely strolls, enjoying a gelato in the Piazza dell'Anfiteatro, or attending a concert in one of its many churches. Chapter 6. Valdoria, a tapestry of Tuscan beauty. Prepare to be captivated by the Valdoria, a region of Tuscany so picturesque it feels like stepping into a Renaissance painting. This enchanting area is renowned for its breathtaking scenery, where every corner seems to tell a story of its own. The landscape is a harmonious blend of natural beauty and human artistry, creating a visual symphony that has inspired countless artists and poets over the centuries. Imagine rolling hills blanketed with vineyards, olive groves, and cypress trees, stretching as far as the eye can see. These hills are not just a sight to behold, but also a testament to the region's rich agricultural heritage. The vineyards produce some of the finest wines in the world, while the olive groves yield high-quality olive oil, both of which are integral to the local cuisine and culture. Dotted with charming hilltop towns and farmhouses, each with its own unique character and history. These towns, with their cobblestone streets and ancient architecture, offer a glimpse into the past, where time seems to stand still. The farmhouses, often surrounded by lush gardens and fields, provide a serene escape from the hustle and bustle of modern life. This UNESCO World Heritage Site is a feast for the senses, offering a rich tapestry of sights, sounds, and smells that will leave a lasting impression. The designation as a World Heritage Site is a testament to the region's cultural and natural significance, ensuring its preservation for future generations to enjoy. From the vibrant colors of the landscape, which change with the seasons, painting a different picture each time you visit. In spring, the fields are adorned with wildflowers, while in autumn, the vineyards turn a rich golden hue. Each season brings its own unique charm, making Valdoria a year-round destination, to the aromas of freshly harvested grapes and olives, which fill the air with a delightful fragrance. The harvest season is a particularly special time in Valdoria, as the community comes together to celebrate the fruits of their labor. Visitors can participate in grape stomping and olive picking, gaining a deeper appreciation for the region's agricultural traditions. Take your time exploring the Valdoria, wandering through its scenic trails and discovering hidden gems along the way. Whether you're hiking through the rolling hills or strolling through the quaint villages, there's always something new to discover. The region's natural beauty and tranquil atmosphere make it the perfect place for relaxation and reflection. Stopping at local wineries for tastings, indulging in farm-to-table meals, and savoring the flavors of Tuscany. the local cuisine is a celebration of fresh, seasonal ingredients, with dishes that are both simple and delicious. From homemade pasta to succulent meats and cheeses, every meal is a culinary delight, and simply soaking up the beauty of this timeless landscape. Whether you're enjoying a leisurely picnic in the countryside or watching the sunset over the hills, Valdoria offers a sense of peace and tranquility that is hard to find elsewhere. It's a place where you can truly connect with nature and experience the simple pleasures of life. Chapter 7. Chianti Wine Region, a toast to the good life. No trip to Tuscany would be complete without experiencing the Chianti wine region, a land where the rolling hills are carpeted with vineyards and the air is filled with the aroma of fermenting grapes. Imagine yourself driving along winding roads, stopping at family-run wineries for tastings and learning about the winemaking process from the passionate locals. But Chianti is more than just wine. It's about savoring the slow pace of life, enjoying long lunches at trattorias with breathtaking views, and connecting with the land and its people. Chapter 8. Arezzo, a city steeped in history, offers a unique blend of art, architecture, and antique treasures. Imagine yourself strolling through Piazza Grande, the heart of the city, surrounded by stunning medieval and Renaissance buildings. This piazza comes alive on the first Sunday of every month with a massive antique market, where you can find everything from vintage furniture and jewelry to antique books and ceramics. Be sure to visit the Basilica of San Francesco, home to Piero della Francesca's fresco cycle, the legend of the True Cross, a masterpiece of Renaissance art. Chapter 9. Escape to the island of Elba, the largest island in the Tuscan archipelago. Imagine yourself relaxing on pristine beaches, swimming in crystal-clear waters and exploring hidden coves. But Elba is more than just a beach destination. It's an island steeped in history, most famously known as the place of Napoleon's exile in 1814. Visit his residences, explore the island's fortresses, and discover the fascinating legacy he left behind. Whether you're seeking relaxation or adventure, Elba has something to offer everyone. Chapter 10. Our final stop takes us to Pienza, a UNESCO World Heritage Site often called the ideal city of the Renaissance. Imagine strolling through its harmonious streets, lined with elegant palazzi and churches, all built according to the principles of Renaissance urban planning. Pienza is also renowned for its pecorino cheese, made from the milk of sheep that graze on the rolling hills of the Valdoria. Be sure to sample this local delicacy, along with other regional specialties, at one of the many charming restaurants in town. Thanks for joining me on this incredible journey through Tuscany. From the art and history of Florence to the medieval charm of Siena and the picturesque landscapes of the Valdoria, Tuscany has something to offer every traveler. If you enjoyed this video, please give a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more amazing travel content. Until next time, happy travels.